Hey friends, Allison here, dropping in to share with you 2 more layouts that I created using the Awesome Story Kit by Ali Edwards. I started off with some of the journal cards from the kit. I began first with the 4x8 journal card. I used that to print my journaling on, and then I attached it to a photo that I printed at the same size. I printed it at home in black and white, and then I thought that I would add one of the chipboard shapes that came with the kit to the photo. On that chipboard shape, which is a heart, I am going to add one of the tear apart phrases that came with the kit as well. And that phrase says something along the lines of a story of awesomeness, or a story of something awesome, something along those lines. I'm going to adhere that over top of the heart, and then add a heart puffy sticker from Ali Edwards as well, but it's older product, and that is going to complete this part of the page. I also decided to print out a photo of my daughter getting her Dexcom. This is what this layout is about. A Dexcom, if you are not aware, is a continuous glucose monitor. So it eliminates the need for her to have to finger poke to test her blood sugar. It reads the sugars in the interstitial fluid inside her body rather than her blood to determine what her blood sugar is at. And it's quite accurate as well, and keeps us in the loop 24 hours a day. She had asked for this for her birthday, and we were more than happy to oblige. Actually, her team wanted us to have one. The next step is to get the pump, which will further help us out, but to start, we got the Dexcom. So that's what the story is about. So I decided to print the photo that I took of her very first Dexcom when it came in the mail, and I trimmed it into 3 pieces. Here's the photo right now. I printed it at 6x8 inches, and I'm going to trim it down into, first of all, a 4x6 inch portion, and then I'm going to turn what's left a quarter turn and then trim it into 3x4 photos. So I'm going to have 2 3x4 photos and 1 4x6 photo from that one 6x8 picture. Pretty smart, right? Then I decided I was going to put it into this page protector. I needed to fill this side of the page protector anyways, because the back side of it is going to be a story about what's not so awesome about being diabetic. And I'll be getting to that in just a moment. But I think it looks so smart in this page protector, all cut up and almost like a mosaic. Is what it looks like. I really like it. I decided that I would take another chipboard shape from the kit and attach it to the outside of the page protector, and the first part of this video is done, and layout number 1 of 2 is complete. I did think about adding some of the puffy stickers to this page as well, but decided against it. So for layout number 2, I began with another photo that I printed at home. I printed this photo at 7 by 8¼ inches. It's not going to go inside a page protector. I thought that I would leave it outside the page protector. I took a screenshot of one of the apps that we use that is linked to Marin's Dexcom, and highlight negative that we have experienced just recently with our journey in type 1 diabetes. So Marin's numbers have been completely out to lunch recently, and we didn't know what was going on until we contacted her team, and it turns out her insulin was likely bad. So we threw it out, and we're currently just waiting to see how the changes we have made pans out. So I will keep you posted. I used some more, obviously, stickers and die cuts from the kit. I also pulled out these 2 journal cards that were in my stash. They're close to my heart. One is an acetate overlay, and then the second one is just a paper journal card. I thought they coordinated perfectly with the kit and also worked really well to highlight the not so awesome aspect of the layouts that I wanted to share today. Thank you so much for joining me today. I do have close-ups coming up, as you can see. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and a like. And I hope to be back again soon with another layout using the awesome story kit. Happy weekend, friends. Bye.